What the hell? Who's that? Alright guys, as you can see, I got some packages, and let me tell you, I'm super excited. Alright guys, welcome back. Thank you so much for stopping by, I appreciate it. So today I got some huge packages from Jonard Tools. This one weighs 14 pounds, this one weighs 12 pounds. I have an idea of what's in here, but I'm not 100% sure. No one's 100% sure. So let's go ahead and check these out. I'm gonna bring you guys up here because I can't do a top over cam because it's just way too tall. So I'm gonna bring you guys up here and let's dig right in. Let's go ahead and open this one at a time and let's check it out. All right, so in the first box, see what we can see here. Oh, hell yeah. All right, so in the first box, we got the Jonard Tools. Never had one of these. This will save your back. So I'm definitely gonna be using this to put my tools in, either at work or at home. So when I need my tools, I can roll them out. So let's go ahead and open up this. This looks really nice. All right, so this is the professional rolling tool bag. So this has a really nice material and it's sewed really nicely with the blue stitching. Love that. You know I love blue. So once you go ahead and unzip this, you'll see a huge cavity with some liners in here. I'll show you this in a second. So you'll have a whole bunch of pockets to put your tools. They even gave you a free snack pack. Love that. So you got room like for a laptop in here. You got a huge deep pocket. You got all these tool pockets right here. So if you're a messy person, you got lots of room, just throw your tools in here. But if you're more organized, you got some pouches on the sides and you have some room for slop if you just want to throw your tools in there. So if you're going out of town or anything like that, you can use this as like a suitcase handle. Just push this button and then up goes the arm. Then you got the huge wheels down here. And then you also have a little name tag right here if you want to put your name so it doesn't get lost or stolen or anything like that at the airport. But I'm really impressed with this so far. Got another pouch up here. Some more outside pockets here for some more tools. But yeah, this thing is really impressive. I'm super excited about this one. So let's go ahead and open up the next box. Hopefully there's some shirts in here because I do love me the Jonard shirts. They are super comfortable. Let's go ahead and unbox this one. Got some more paper in here. Oh, hell yeah. All right, so we got a Jonard Tools hoodie. These are really nice, really soft. Do really appreciate that. Got a nice big pocket right here as a normal hoodie would. Next, we do have, oh, girl, look at that. We got a bottle opener. I was actually gonna ask if they had one, but I didn't get a chance and they hooked it up. So you know I'm gonna be using this for some apple cider, sparkling apple cider, because that's how we roll. And then this is probably one of the most that I'm excited about is the insulated diagonal cutters. So I do use my diagonal cutters a lot as an electrician. It's probably one of my top 5 tools. So I'm gonna be swapping these out and trying these out. These are insulated up to 1,000 volts. So they got some nice little ridges on here for some grip. And yeah, nice and small, kind of like my other Klein ones over there from Ireland. These ones look pretty nice and these are awesome. So definitely gonna be using these at work. I'll probably be taking those to work tomorrow. And the one tool that I'm most excited about is the ratcheting cable cutter. I've always wanted one of these. I watched my coworker get one of these like 10 years ago when I started as an electrician. But anyways, I've always wanted one of these. These things are super expensive, so I really, really appreciate it. Thank you to Jonard Tools and Candace for hooking me up. Really appreciate this. I'll be making a video with this once I can get some aluminum wire. I'm not sure if this is good for copper. I doubt it. Cleanly cuts copper, so I actually do have a tiny little bit of number 6 out in the garage, so I can make a video about that. But it's not super thick, so it's not going to be super impressive. But this is good up to 600 MCM aluminum or 750 MCM multi-conductor cable. So this is good for some big stuff right here. Yeah, it tells you all the different stats on here for what it's good for, copper and aluminum. So I was just assuming it was going to be good for aluminum, but copper as well. So that's a big win. So I'm really excited about that. And then lastly, oh, there's actually another thing in there. So also right here, there's a portable power bank. That was unexpected, so thank you for that. A nice little phone charger or something like that. These have a small life on them, but still gives you some backup juice in case your phone runs low or anything like that, or if you need to charge up some equipment at work. So thank you so much for that. That's awesome. But the last one right here is the hole saw cutter right here for sheetrock. So if you're cutting in a can light or anything like that, this is adjustable. So you can go ahead and adjust the teeth on this to how wide you need it. You got your center arbor right there, so you can just go ahead and put that up to the ceiling. Has a nice little plastic dust collector right there. So this thing is super sick. Also, it looks like it comes with a nice case, so you're not poking yourself or cutting holes in anything because of the sharp bits or anything like that. So yeah, that is all that I got. Thank you so much, Jonard Tools and Candace, for hooking me up. You're a real one. Thank you so much. I really appreciate it. Love you guys. And make sure to hit the like button and subscribe. See you guys in the next one. God bless. Have an awesome rest of your day. Love you guys. Peace.